welcome back to video 2 of 3 tonight on our first lesson on inequalities, and we need to start off with what a solution of an inequality is. The solution for any inequality, and hopefully you took some notes. You took some notes that said to take notes from the bottom of page 126, that the solution of inequality is any value, any number that makes the inequality true. Okay? Any number that makes the inequality true is a solution. Okay? So, an example of that would be 6, 8, and 15 are all solutions for the inequality x is greater than 5. Why? If I put in a 6 for x, 6 is greater than 5. That is true. If I put in the 8, 8 is greater than 5. That is true. If I put in the 15, 15 is greater than 5. That is true. They are all true. However, what if I put in a 3? 3 is not a solution because 3 greater than 5? I don't think so. That is false. It is not a solution to that inequality. So, the set of all solutions for an inequality is called the solution set. Shocker there. The set of all solutions is the solution set. Really cool for that. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about whether a number, this is all we're going to do in this video, whether a number is a solution, is the given value a solution to the inequality. So all we have to do is substitute and go. So ladies and gentlemen, it says x is less than 1. Is x equal to negative 2 a solution to that inequality? So if you plug it in, negative 2 less than 1. Is that true? That is true. So yes. Okay? Number 2, h is greater than or equal to negative 5 when h is equal to negative 9. So if I put in a negative 9, is that greater than or equal to negative 5? Well, you better tell me the answer is, that's right, false. So this is no. Negative 9 is not in the solution set for that inequality. Our next number 3, n plus 12 is greater than 7 for n equals 5. So we put in the number. So 5 plus 12, is that greater than 7? Well, 5 plus 12 is 19. Is that greater than 7? That is true. So the answer is yes. Okay? K divided by 2.5, less than or equal to negative 3 when k is negative 7. So if I put a negative 7 and I divide that by 2.5, is that less than negative 3? Well, negative 7 divided by 2.5 is negative 2.8. Is that less than negative 3? You better remember your number line. Which number is on the right? That is right. Negative 2.8 is on the right. So this is false. So no, negative 7 is not a solution to that inequality. Let's do 2 more quick ones and we're going to be done with the second video. 6w greater than 20. When w is equal to negative 4. So if I go 6 times a negative 4, is that greater than 20? Negative 24 greater than 20. Well, what do you think? I'm glad you say false. Okay? No, not a solution. And the last one, x divided by 2 minus 1 less than or equal to negative 1. So all we got to do is plug it in and go. So what do? This becomes, I'm going to rewrite this a different way so it doesn't look so complicated. So I'm going to go negative 3/4 divided by 2 minus 1 is less than negative 1. Okay? So I know my order of operations says I'm going to divide first. And when I divide first, and then I get negative 3/8 minus 1 is less than negative 1. And of course, that's negative 1 and 3/8 is less than negative 1. And is negative 1 and 3/8 less than negative 1? Yes, that is true. So the answer is yes. It's that plain and simple. If they ask you if a number is a solution, is it part of the solution set, one of those values that make the inequality true, then the answer is yes. It is part of the solution set. Ladies and gentlemen, our second quick ride of the night, C and D, we're going to tell whether negative 3 is a solution of each inequality. So as soon as I'm done talking, pause real quickly to write those down, and then put negative 3 question mark to see if it is a solution in each one of those, yes or no. And then, of course, this was a short video, so you might want to just get started right away with the third one, or you can take another quick break and come back with a fresh mind.